Welcome to Art Magic.
In this enchanting scene, Mama Owl and her precious baby owl are nestled together. Mama Owl, with her wise and nurturing eyes, gazes lovingly at her little one, conveying a sense of tenderness and protection. Mama Owl is depicted with soft, fluffy feathers in warm earthy tones, accented with hints of vibrant colors that reflect her vibrant personality. Her wings are outstretched in a gentle embrace around her baby, symbolizing her constant love and support. Baby Owl, perched snugly beside Mama Owl, exudes innocence and curiosity. With big, round eyes brimming with wonder, Baby Owl eagerly takes in the world around them, learning and growing under the watchful guidance of Mama Owl. This heartwarming illustration not only celebrates the love between a mother and her child, but also serves as a reminder of the beauty and importance of family. As children immerse themselves in drawing and coloring this touching scene, they not only enhance their artistic skills, but also learn the value of love, compassion, and gratitude for their mothers. Please share your home paintings, drawings, and coloring with me on my Facebook page, Art Magic Drawings. Visit our page where you'll find numerous drawings available for printing and coloring.
By the way, don't mind clicking a tiny button, the one marked subscribe. Yeah, I know it doesn't make a big difference to you, but to our team, it does.